Hello, it's Mike Grady from Business Fuel Tools, and I'm answering the question of the week. Okay, so the question that we got is this week is, how easy is it to make money with ClickFunnels? And my answer, the shorter answer, is follow Russell Brunson's proven method. So here's Russell's formula that we use and a lot of our clients use. Number one, you got to have a landing page. Then you need a thank you page. Then you need an order page. Then you need an upsell page. Then you need a downsell page. This is the basic formula. See, have you ever thought to yourself, it sure would be nice to earn a little extra money on the side? Well, you're not alone. Many people have looked for ways to earn some extra cash. One of the best strategies for doing this is through an e-commerce business. Online stores have been steadily gaining in popularity. Of all the money-making ideas out there, this is one that requires a little dedication on your part, but it can be very fulfilling once the orders start rolling in. So you don't have to merely dream about it. You can actually make it a reality if you start today and follow the formula. See, starting an online store doesn't have to be some complex process. In fact, it can be done quite easily. But if you've ever wanted to do it, you've probably had a bunch of questions on how to start and where to go from once you start. So here's how to make a business idea of yours a reality through an online store. Number one, you need to have a landing page. First, we build the landing page, and the landing page is what we're trying to do. The only thing we're trying to do is get an email address from a prospect that's looking for our solution. So we want to make them a promise that if they give us their email address, we'll give them a valuable piece of information that they want. And that doesn't have to cost a lot of money. Maybe it can be free. Maybe it's $1, that sort of thing. But what we want to do is we want to make that information very valuable. So people will trade us their email address because they know that they're going to get something valuable and we're going to contact them in the future. Then you need a thank you page. Once we have that email address, then we want to take our prospect to a thank you page that might make an offer on it. So in other words, we promise them something for their email, and then we send them to a thank you page and say, thank you very much. Here's the thing you wanted. But by the way, would you like to actually take a look at this thing that might make your life better or solve a problem right now? Well, then we take them to an order page. And then from that page, they can go to the order page and actually make a purchase. And then what we always want to do on the order page is to increase our per ticket value by giving them another product that they may want. That's called an order bump. So we bump on another product that will help in the one they're currently buying. Again, that's called an order bump. See, what we've seen through split testing is anywhere from a 20 to 30% of people will actually take our order bump in addition to that initial offer. Then we take them to an upsell page. Once they complete the order, then we can take them to an upsell page for an additional product that might help them out with the 2 products they just purchased. And then, of course, if they take that, well, we see about 35% of the people will actually take an upsell because they're in a buying mood. But once they have taken it, then you can actually take them to a order confirmation page. Or if they didn't take it, take them to a downsell page. Now, let's say that somebody didn't take the upsell. Well, instead of letting them go, let's take them to a downsell page. So maybe they're ready to buy, but they're not wanting to spend that much money. So we take them to an offer that might be more of the same, but at a steeper discount from the original upsell page. And what we've seen is anywhere from 15 to 20% of people will actually take a downsell if they didn't take the upsell. So what we want to do is we just want to make them that offer. And then, of course, then once the whole process is complete, then we can take them to an order confirmation page. So if you're ready, make your online store a reality by making an offer. Don't feel intimidated at the prospect of starting. And with ClickFunnels technology, it's easier than ever to build out funnels. The best business ideas to make money now simply require the motivation and determination to make it happen. By following these tips, you'll be much closer to running a successful online business. So I hope this answer helps your business. And FYI, if you want to maximize your ClickFunnels 14-day free trial, I'm going to put a link in the description below. You can check out our 13 ClickFunnels quick start videos, and that'll actually take you through your 14-day startup and actually get you up and running in about 2 hours so you can actually maximize your entire 14-day free offer. Hopefully that's helpful. Again, there'll be a link in the description below.